Welcome to EDU World Space.
So determine the factor of safety, right? And we need to determine it considering the maximum shear stress theory, right? So we have a material that is machine steel and its yield stress is 750 megapascals. We need to determine the factor of safety considering the maximum shear stress theory. Now this question is very simple, right? So now what we are going to do over here is that you need to refresh your knowledge on the equation 9.1 through 9.3, right? Because we would be needing it. Now we are given by the figure of the problem that sigma sub x is equal to 150 megapascals and sigma sub y is equal to negative 450 megapascals, right? Now the sub xy is equal to 0, right? So if we recall the Mohr's circle or these equations, so we would see that the principal stresses occur at certain angles, right? They occur at certain angles where the shear stress becomes equal to shear stress, excuse me, shear stress becomes equal to 0, right? So it states that according to these Mohr's circle or these equations that are 9.1 to 9.3, that principal stress occur at certain angles, right? And these are those angles where the shear stress becomes equal to 0, right? So if that is the case, it means that our sub x dash y dash is equal to 0, right? And this is a case, therefore the we can say that the normal stresses are actual shear stresses, right? So it would mean this. Now, if that is the case, so it means that the sigma sub 1 stress, right, it would be equal to sigma sub x, and that would be equal to 150 megapascals, and sigma sub 2 would be equal to sigma sub y, that would be equal to negative 450 megapascals, right? Now, as you can see that these principal stresses, right, they are um, opposite in signs, right? As you can see that this one is positive and this one is negative, so it means that they're opposite in signs, and this means that correct form of the correct form of equation 10.27, it would be sigma sub y is equal to the absolute value of the difference of sigma sub 1 negative sigma sub 2. So that is equal to 150 negative 450, right? And negative negative is positive. So when you calculate it, you get sigma sub y is equal to 600 megapascals, right? As you can see that this newfound value, right? This excuse me. So this newfound value, that is 600 megapascals, it is less than the given value, that is 700 megapascals. So it means that the material does not fail according to the maximum shear stress theory, right? Now, the last thing for us to do is that we need to determine the factor of safety, right? So let's say that it's K over here. Now, this K is the ratio of the maximum yield stress that the material is enduring to the one that is enduring it. So it means that it is equal to sigma sub y sub of the material divided by sigma y. Just plug in the values and you will get that K is equal to 750 divided by 600. That is equal to 1.25, right? So this concludes our answer for this question. This is the factor of safety.